Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. You have probably already watched a million unboxings of this suitcase, but I finally went for it and I purchased the Away carry-on bag, the larger one, and I just got it. I will put a referral link below. I think they gave me one. I think everybody gets a referral link for Away. I don't know. So those of you that know that I love my Eagle Creek suitcase, I do. I still love my Eagle Creek suitcase. That thing, it has been through everything. It has been all over the world at this point. However, when I overfill it, it kind of gets, it gets to where it's a little bit challenging to put it in the overhead, and I did want a hard case. Not for every trip. Trips where I'm gonna shop and I may want to, you know, overstuff it and then check it on the way back, I'm still gonna take my Eagle Creek. When I do my packing video for Star Wars, if I get time, I'm gonna see if this holds more than the Eagle Creek or less. I think it's gonna hold less, but I'm not 100% sure yet, so jury's still out. Away does have a trial period. I think it's 100 days. So I can try this bag, and if I don't love it, I can return it, which was why I finally, made the splurge and decided to go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna do a review. I'll tell you guys in advance, I bought the one without the battery pack. And I know they sell that as a big feature, but I don't want to have to mess with taking the battery pack in and out if they happen to have to check my bag. It's really not a feature that I think I would use because I already have an extra battery pack that I like. And I also like that my battery pack is in my other carry-on and not in my bag that's up above. So those were all personal reasons, and I know that having the battery pack adds to the weight and things like that. So this one doesn't have the battery pack, but let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, I haven't opened the box at all yet, but you guys know I get so excited to open stuff with you. So this is the box that it came in. It says Away there, and it says one for the road. So that's really fun. I didn't just show you my address. Did I just show you my address? Hopefully I didn't. If I did show you my address, I'll edit that out. So I love the way that this packaging comes. I should be able to just, here we go, get my scissor. Hopefully I will not cut myself. Ooh, that opened up really easily. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick up the camera and show you guys this because I don't think I can get it to come all the way over. It says, now the world is open. You can go anywhere, see everything, get off the grid, out of your comfort zone, or back to your roots. We'll be with you every step of the way, so get out there and stay open. Oh my gosh, that makes me cry. You guys know that is like my favorite type of thing to say ever. So here is the packaging that it comes in. Comes with this. It says, the world is open. Show us where you go first. And Away, and I'm sure there's a hashtag. Yes, of course there's a hashtag. And then it comes in this beautiful dust cover. Okay, I'm back. So let's take it out of the box. Man, I love that box. Here's what it looks like. I can already tell you guys, it is incredibly lightweight. That is one of the big selling features of this bag, is how lightweight it is. So I'm very impressed with that. I love that it comes in a dust cover, although I think we both know that if this becomes the bag that I use all the, I'm like shaking the table. Sorry, camera. I think we both know if this becomes the bag I use all the time, the dust cover will probably never be on it because I'll be using it all the time. I'm gonna take it out. Scotty, can you let Max in? Okay, hold please. Got that. All right, I'll let the dog in. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Having a little bit of trouble getting it out of the dust jacket. Okay, so here is the bag. I went with the navy blue. There is a pink option. There's a white option. Hey, Maxie, how are you? Hi, Bubby. Hi. It's Mommy's new suitcase. You like it? Because I didn't want it to show any scuff marks, I have heard from others that these can show scuff marks and that you can use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to get it off, but you know, navy blue is kind of a great color for me anyway, so I'm fine with that. It does have the carrying handle here on the side. You guys can kind of get an idea of the size. This comes in 2 sizes. One that is better for like international travel, and when I say international travel, I mean if you're flying on an international airline. If you're flying Delta internationally, you are still using Delta American planes that are going to have the same size overhead compartments. Some of the smaller regional carriers, I don't care how small your carry-on is, they're going to check it anyway. So I figured that everything that I do, because I'm always flying a major airline, I'm rarely, if ever, flying an international airline, even though I travel internationally, if that makes sense. So this size was absolutely fine for me. If you were going to Europe regularly and using some of the inter-Europe or European airlines, you may want to consider getting 1 size down. There's actually not that big of a difference though, so that's just something for you to consider. Okay, so the wheels on the bottom are like this, and they are the kind that go 4-way directional. So just like with my Eagle Creek bag, look at me putting, I would normally not put a suitcase on my dining room table, but because it's clean and it just came out of the box, we're okay with that. So let's see if I can get this thing open. Here's my strap right here. Okay, I can already tell, oh no, it goes up pretty far. Let me show you guys. That goes up pretty far. Telescoping handle, as it is called. Let me see if I can open this. There's directions, hold on. Away. Opening your luggage, set combination 2000. Okay, that just opened right up. So I'll have to set the combination, but there is a TSA lock on here. One comment about TSA locks, don't get too secure in thinking that that is going to keep a thief out. It is so simple to break into your luggage. So if you think you're going to check a bag, I think really anytime how do I say this? Don't put anything in a bag that could potentially be checked, right? If your flight is full or for whatever reason, that you would be devastated if it was lost. Those items, well, first of all, for me, I'm not gonna travel with anything other than my wedding ring that I would be devastated if it got lost. That just doesn't seem smart. But if you are traveling with jewelry or hearing aids or, you know, things like that, medications, I'm personally always going to have those in my personal item, not in my carry-on bag, if that bag has any potential to be checked. You know, whenever the flight is full and they say, you know, we need volunteers, make sure you have your medication. That's because if your bag gets lost and you don't have your medication, you are, as they say, up a creek without a paddle. So always make sure that your personal items that are super, super important to you are in your secondary bag. Hope that makes sense. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I'm gonna show you the inside. Hang on. All right, now here is where I am really curious as to how this bag will compare to the Eagle Creek bag when I use the compression cubes, which I still love and I will still use with this bag. This section here is a zippered open compartment. And this is where I'm probably going to use my compression cubes because this part does not compress. So this will still be really good for the Eagle Creek compression cubes. I will put a link to those below. They will change your life. You want to go ahead and get those. So that part's just got the zipper there. Then this part has, well, it has a mesh pouch right here. What are you? What does that say? Scuffs happen. Oh, that's cool. It comes with a little like Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Good job, Away. That's really a nice feature. Cool. Okay, so that's it. And there's something else in here. You are here. Oh, look at that. Tells me all about the bag. There's a little guy standing on the bag. All my instructions telling me how to tell my friends about my bag. But you're my friends and I'm already telling you about the bag. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. The way this system works is this is like your, you know how we have the folding board and the packing cubes? This is gonna compress your luggage down. Not your luggage, compress your clothes down. So you're gonna pack in this part here, right? Again, I will probably still use packing cubes because we know I'm very committed to my packing cubes. And then this is gonna go on top of that, and you're gonna use these straps and you're gonna tighten that down. Now, I will show you guys how this works when I do my packing video next week for Star Wars, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And then it just says away right here. Really well made. One thing to note about the Away suitcases is they do have a lifetime warranty, just like Eagle Creek, which is really great. Okay, and then what is this? Okay, hold please. Have another little zipper. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay, so this is for your laundry. So fun. Every day is a school day here on JenLefforge.com. This is your zipper. Is this waterproof? Hold on. Hold on. Well, I guess it sort of is. It's plastic, so you could probably put wet things in there. We may have to give that a trial run. And then it snaps out, which is really great when you get home. I like that even better because see, then you could put your dirty clothes in there. It could go under here, and then you can still compress even your dirty clothes. I really like that, okay? And then I'm gonna close that back up. You can see the material is not, I'm gonna be honest, it is not as hard as I thought it would be. I mean, it's definitely sturdy, and they talk about how you can stand on top of it, but look at, I can do that and it gives way, but it does have a lifetime warranty, so we shall see on that. Okay, now we are going to field test how the wheels work. You guys can see it does 360-degree turns, which is nice. You can roll it this way, or you can roll it this way. If you've seen any of my other video reviews or reviews of suitcases, you know that I love that you can push this in front of you when you're getting on the airplane, so you don't have to pick it up and carry it. It will easily fit in the aisle. And then it's got the nice telescoping handle, and that is where I will put my carry-on that has a slot on it, and it will go right there, and that will give me one-handed ability to get my way through the airport. Yeah, so that's it. I really like this bag. I think I'm really gonna enjoy using it. As I said, I will use this for Star Wars probably, and I'm going to get a packing video up next week. So if you're not already subscribed or you don't have your bell notifications turned on, make sure you do that so you can kind of see this bag in action. I'll do a full review when I get back with my Star Wars recap, letting you know how I felt like the bag did. And it's gonna, you know, my Eagle Creek has been my friend for a long time, so we'll have to see if it gives it a run for its money. And I do still plan on using both bags. If you are interested in purchasing your own Away suitcase, I am going to put a referral link below that will give you $20 off your purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you comment below. I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.